Kakatapos pa lamang magdiwang ng kampyonato sa PBA Season 50 Commissioner's Cup. Balik agad sa trabaho si Coach Tim Cone at ilang miyembro ng Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Pero sa pagkakataong ito, para naman sa kanilang tungkulin sa national team. Nagbabalik si teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Matapos ang kanilang tagumpay sa PBA Season 50 Commissioner's Cup, agad nang ibinaling ni Coach Tim Cone ang kanyang focus para sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Matinding hamon ang nag-aabang sa Gilas sa mga nalalapit na laro kontra New Zealand Tall Blacks at Australia Boomers sa Window 3 ng 2027 FIBA World Cup Asian Qualifiers sa July 3 at 6. Ayon kay Coach Tim Cone, bagamat hindi magiging madali ang misyon ng Gilas sa mga susunod na laro, naniniwala siyang may kakayahan ng koponan na muling makagawa ng malaking sorpresa.
We know it's going to be tough. We're looking forward to it. We've been a team that's pulled surprises before, and I'm not going to be surprised if we pull a surprise, but I like the way the SPP has set it up for us in terms of being able to go down to Brisbane and acclimatize ourselves to the weather a little bit, get a camp down there, and then play a couple of friendlies against pro New Zealand teams. I think that's really good preparation for us. Every game for Gilas is a championship game. It's a game 7, and we just got to be prepared the best we can.
Mula sa kanilang pagkakaroon ng PBA Champions, diretso namang sasabak sa Gilas ang trio na sina Justin Brownlee, RJ Abarientos at Roy Rosario para sa darating na window.
Hindi ka makakapag-no kapag tinawagan ng Gilas Pilipinas at para magyaro sa bayan. So, there's no reason para magpahinga, para ilaban to sa window na.
Of course, playing for Never is truly a blessing, especially. And playing for the national team, I think he's more special. His whole country. So, even though it's a lot of fans who are never,
Same
crowd. Well, yeah, similar crowd, I guess. But just playing for the national team, it's just it's a big deal. How the fans and how the people love basketball here, so it's just always want to go out there and consider the national game and just represent the Philippines in the right way.
Enjoy pa ako i-celebrate yung championship sa Ginebra, pero yun na, may problem. So, kailangan ko i-postpone muna yung celebration to focus sa preparation sa coming week. So, I hope magiging maganda yung performance sa amin.
Makakasama rin sa line-up ang mga bagong dagdag na sina Mike Phillips at Justin Baltasar habang papalit si Juan Gomez de Llano kay Scottie Thompson dahil sa injury. Bubuo sa koponan sina Dwight Ramos, AJ Edu, Junmar Fajardo, Chris Newsome, Kevin Kiambao at Carl Tamayo habang hangad ng koponan na tapusin ng malakas ang kanilang kampanya sa Window 3. Ngayong Martes, June 23, lilipad patungong New Zealand ang pambansang koponan para sa kanilang training camp at mga tune-up games bago harapin ng New Zealand at Australia sa Hulyo. Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bayan.